Okay, guys, here is the Goehner's dual purpose bench vise, 3.3 inch, with the 360-degree swivel base. Right now, I just have this attached to with the screw on here. I don't have it actually mounted into my workbench yet, but you can do either because you got screw holes here. It comes with bolts that you can put it in permanently, or you can just attach it with the clamp there. Just screw it on and it'll hold in place. Now this has a pretty good handle here. This is how obviously you adjust it. And on right here, there's a quick release button. So you can close it or open it quickly. This is all cast iron, really heavy duty. I mean, this is a really good vise. And you also have a little handle here, and that is what makes it swivel for you. So, if you just want to put things in really quick, and then you can just tighten it the rest of the way. And let me tighten this handle down so it doesn't move. And there you go. It's nice and steady and in place and ready to go, ready to cut. So there you go, guys. Nice heavy duty vise.